Hi there, my name is Michael, and today we will be learning about the layers of the Earth's atmosphere using food. Today we will be using a cut-up red apple and a Milky Way bar to show you two different examples of how you can tell the layers of the Earth. First, we'll start with the apple. The red skin of the apple will be known as your crust layer. The crust layer is where all living things live on and is the thinnest layer on the top of the Earth. Then you go and you've got the middle part of the actual apple. That is going to be known as our mantle. And the mantle is the biggest part. It is a warm but sometimes cool layer that stores your magma and which eventually will turn into lava once it erupts from a volcano. And that also contains your tectonic plates. And then with our middle piece we have our core. Our outer core will be the outside of the core of the apple. And on the inside you can see the little stem sticking out, and the stem goes through the middle, and that section inside will be known as our inner core. And the inner core is very hot along with the outer core, and there's not really any living things inside of the core, which is kind of impossible for any living things to live on any layer other than the crust. Now we'll go with the Milky Way bar. If I was by myself, I would eat this Milky Way bar. I'm just going to break it in half for now. And right now, it is broken in half, and you will see that the top chocolate layer is going to be our crust. It's the same exact crust as we get from the skin of the apple. Along with the crust, we also have the caramel in there. And the caramel will be representing our mantle. It doesn't matter what you use as long as it has 4 different layers to help describe what the layers of the Earth are. The nougat chocolate on the inside, that is going to be known as our outer crust when we're talking about a Milky Way. And the outer crust is the same exact thing as it is with the core. Or the outer core, excuse me, not crust. And then the bottom of the Milky Way bar is going to be our inner core, just like the stem going through the middle of the core of the apple. If you have any questions, talk to your teacher about the layers of the Earth.